Morning light on quiet streets, coffee warmth and rolling wheels, bike lane shining in the sun. Day is slowly coming on, cool air drifting through the road, city waking soft and slow.
Good morning, amazing people. So it's going to be another day of another gala, and we're on our way
Turn right onto 1, Mabini Road.
and we're on our way to Mabini Road, and we're on our way to Dive 7000 Mabini, and it's going to be another day of adventure. So itong adventure na to today is something new and something new to try. Ayan. So we're on the year of checking off things that we wanted to do, and before this year ends, kasama to sa ating mga to-do list. So we're going to dive in Dive 7000. Yeah, so come with us today and check this out.
Pag nabawasan na, no? Minimize na natin yung risk of having scratches, no? Pag natumba kayo, kasi session, after full session, maybe 30 minutes to 35 minutes, drink a lot of water, then open water session na agad. Right? So before we take our lunch, no, at least nakapag one session tayo. After lunch, rest, and then session ulit tayo in the afternoon, around 3:30 p.m. depending on your busog, kung busog pa, wag muna. So yun yung mga, kanina may tinanong na ako kung may sino yung mga puyat.
Wow! Good morning! So, nakapag-session na kami ng intro to diving, and now we're going to do the training na sa water pool. Sa swimming pool muna tayo. So, ganda ng orientation. Ang dami ko natutunan today. So, gawin na natin to. Medyo nakakakaba lang, pero kaya natin.
Maghihati lang ako.
Ito yung drip coffee ngayon. Nandito yung drip coffee sa Mabini, Batangas. Ayan, nagkakagulo sila. Ayan yung drip coffee.
Drip coffee, sobrang sarap.
Ay, true! Masarap talaga yan.
Lalo na pag ako nagtimpla nito. Anong gusto nyo? Palpitation.
Palpitation.
Mamili lang kayo. Depende yan sa adjustment.
Ay, true! Super sarap na.
Uy, fresh from Vietnam to. Promise kanina galing akong Vietnam. Siya taga-biyahe. Lumipad pa yan. Lumipad pa ako. Uy, ba? Kailangan
Ay, pupunta na kami doon.
Sige, thank you.
Morning light on quiet streets, coffee warmth and rolling wheels, bike lane shining in the sun. Day is slowly coming on, cool air drifting through the road, city waking soft and slow. Thinking down the line, everything feels right on time. Pedal easy through the day, let the rhythm lead the way. Nothing loud and nothing strong, just the street's familiar song. Coffee warm still in my hand. Morning moving just as planned. Every block a steady flow, where the bright beginnings go. Sunlight on the river rail, wind moving soft and pale. Yellow taxis passing by, silver clouds across the sky. People walking half awake, street lights fading by the lake. City breathing on the street, wheels turning with the beat. Warm light falling on the road, morning in a quiet.
Mahong ka mo si mother, oh. Mas madali pag wala ka sa tubig. Napahirapan mo sarili mo dyan.
Morning light on quiet streets, coffee warmth and rolling wheels, bike lane shining in the sun. Day is slowly coming on. Cool air drifting through the road, city waking soft and slow. Signals blinking down the line. Everything feels right.
Patingin nga yung tsura! Mami Daisy! Parang kulang pa! Parang kulang! Kulang pa yung sunscreen mo ah!
Sa bangka, lalagay pa.
May space for mother.
Let's go!
Ano ang bilin ko?
Mabuhay lang!
Buhay. Yeah.
Okay, so ang kabilin-bilinan lang ng asawa ko ay bumalik na buhay.
Saan pupunta?
At ito na po tayo. We're on a mission now. We're going in a diving spot. Ano sabi mo, mother?
Ano bang gagawin natin? Oh?
Andiyan ka na eh! May scan screen ka na eh! Ngayon ka ba magtatanong eh?
Tapos mo mag-sunblock, tsaka mo kayo questionin.
Tapos mo lagyan ng sunscreen?
Sobrang dami yun ah.
Kulang pa!
Wala namang araw ah.
Mabuti na yung sure tayo.
Uso! Uso ata!
Finally! Sita kasi chick na.
Iwan yung slippers dyan, diba? Okay. Okay pa.
Baka pag uwi nyo, wala na kayo
Paan na lang.
Sorry guys, mabilis lang. Nandun yung ano? Kalikap. Naka-ano na yan.
Ay, makikit, ano rin po ako.
Naka-surface na yan dyan.
Yung toothpaste.
Tiki. Ay, oo nga ako din toothpaste. 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 Para ba? Talaga ng toothpaste. Eto tita, para hindi siya mag-pump.
Anong bilin mo?
Ano, lumutang.
Lulutang ng buhay. Baka kabalik ng buhay.
Buhay na, anong buo.
Sure yun.
Galingan mo ah. So marami kang capture moments sa mga fish.
Sige.
Ay, dahil ko lang quiet streets, coffee warmth and rolling wheels, bike lane shining in the sun. Day is slowly coming on. Cool air drifting through the road, city waking soft and slow. Signals blinking down the line. Everything feels right on time. Pedal easy through the day, let the rhythm lead the way.
Pinalikat ako! Nakalayo kayo?
Hindi, syempre.
Okay, so medyo mabagal tayo maglakad ngayon kasi pinulikat ako. Kitang-kita naman sa mga videos kanina ang mga pangyayari. Kuhang-kuha ng ating CCTV. Na-recorded naman yung mga nangyari. Super na siyang sumakit. Nagawa naman natin yung duck dive na ating ina-achieve. Kaso, hindi lang tumagal dahil nga napulikat. So, may casualty. Pero, siguro pahinga lang to. Tapos kakain na kami ngayon. Then we go. Then we go. Ayan. So, pa rin kami sa Mabini. Makikikain lang kami sa kapitbahay. Dito lang. Sa katabi lang. Masakit siya ha. Tapos ang tagal-tagal ko nang iniisip na sana nagdala na lang ako ng mga katingko spray or sport spray. Dapat pala binili ko na yung kahapon. Nasa Watsons na ako. Okay. The struggle is real. Lola. Sobrang lola. Dito yan. So, we're on our next session, the duck diving.
Aray, toothpaste!
Ayan. It's already 3 o'clock. Last 1 hour na namin to. And then off we go. At sana may matutunan kami to at this moment. At wala nang pupulingan.
Streets, coffee, warmth, and rolling wheels. Bike lane shining in the sun. Day is slowly coming on. Cool air drifting through the road. City waking soft and slow. Signals blinking down the line. Everything feels right on time. Pedal easy through the day. Let the rhythm lead the way. Nothing loud and nothing strong. Just the street's familiar song. Coffee warm still in my hand. Morning moving just as planned. Every block a steady flow. Where the bright beginnings go. Sunlight on the river rail. Wind moving soft and pale. Yellow taxis passing by. Silver clouds across the sky. People walking half awake. Street lights fading by the lake. City breathing calm and wide. Rolling with the morning ride. Pedal easy through the day. Pedal easy through the day. Let the rhythm lead the way. Let the rhythm lead the way. Nothing loud and nothing strong. Just the street's familiar song. Coffee warm still in my hand. Coffee warm still in there. Morning moving just as planned. Every block a steady flow. Where the bright beginnings go.
Pun lang.
Apat na babaeng natagpo ang naliligo. Ano, inabot na dito? Watson! Ba't dala niyo yung buong Watsons dito?
Ito pa talaga. Ganyan talaga.
Gano'n kayo katagal dito?
2 weeks kami. Ganap na kami.
Tapos na kami mag-dive. Dito na kami nag-shower. Tapos, discard na lang kami mag-ibig. Ayan na siya. Sunset na. Aura.
Bike lane shining in the sun. Day is slowly coming on. Cool air drifting through the road. City waking soft and slow.
Ayan, tapos na kami maligo. Yes. Okay. So, we're done for the day. And, picture muna.
Depress.
Chips kasi namin pang dali lang.
Depress.
Ibawa.
Normalize.
1, 2, 3, go. One more. Duck dive. 1, 2, 3. Yun, 1 more, 1, 2, 3.
So, this is Dive 7,000. Ayan, maganda dito pag jump mo. Ayan, nakaagad yon. Coral reefs, ang daming fish. Nakita nyo naman sa mga videos kanina. Ito si Bubu. Thank you for driving us, my love. Thank you. Wait lang. So, we're done for the day. Ang dami namin natutunan, yung basic breathing, equalizer, and all those things. So, lahat ng yon part yan ng basic or intro to free diving. I had so much fun. Super ko siyang na-enjoy and something new kasi tagal ko na siyang gustong gawin. Tagal ko na siyang gusto. At least ngayon, humabol sa ating mga bucket list. Na-checkan na natin siya for 2025. And I think I wanted to do it again. Syempre, mas gusto ko pa rin yung scuba diving compared sa free diving. Mas marami siyang skills na inaaral. But, yeah, overall, na-enjoy ko siya. And sobrang patient ng aming mga coaches. So how was your like session for today?
Normal lang!
Ay, mga ano namin to eh.
Equal lang!
mga
Hanggang
star diver namin to. Ayan. So, medyo masakit lang siya sa tenga. At ang another star diver. Andito siya. So, thank you to our coaches. Sobrang patient nila para sa aming mga first timer. Thank you. Thank you, No Fins. Thank you. And thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell button down below and follow us on our social media. Don't forget to follow Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. See you on our next vlog. Bye-bye.